Hey guys, today we're going to be packing up some brackets and some hardware for the Rockstar Garage hardtops. So we have the two-piece bracket.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Alright, you ready? What's going on, Rockstars? Today we're going to be talking about packing up the two-piece brackets and the one-piece brackets for our RSG, OEM, and Mugen and all of our hardtops that we have. So let's get started. So all of our parts are powder coated right here. After that we wrap it in cardboard and then just lay it inside this bubble wrap bag right here just to make sure that nothing scratches, nothing gets damaged in the shipping process. These brackets are typically and mostly always in stock. We're always carrying them, and if not, they're always going to be right on their way again. So they should be on our website. Go ahead and check it out up there. But this is what they look like in person. And we also have these right here, which are the replacements for the latches for the front. Alright, these bad boys are here are made out of steel, so these aren't going anywhere. Your hardtop's going to be stuck on there.
That's it? Pop up and down headlights. That one?
Headlights, 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 headlights. Pop up and down headlights. Go. Pop up and down headlights. Pop up and down headlights. Pop up.
Okay, so if you guys also purchase roll bars off of us, we also pack and ship our own hardware, which are these plates right here. It's not too hard to be installing these and drilling them yourself, but it does take a lot of patience, and we make sure that we wrap these good just with the same amount of patience to ship them out to you guys. So if people don't know that we really sell side skirts and stuff like that. We also make our own side skirts. Right here we have the downforce that I'm holding. These are on Kevin's car right here, mixed with a J side skirt, our own little creation that we came up with. We also do the RX-7 style side skirts for the S2000, and we like to get these out and packed as fast as possible. The best way to get these from us is to place an order, just to make sure that you guys are in line, just because carbon fiber does take a while to make. So call us, put in your order, and we'll have these out to you. Very expensive carbon fiber, so let's go check it out, how we package it.